Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how you can get a free VPN without of any speed limit and without of any data limit in your Kali Linux. So for this I am gonna show you what is my speed right now. So first I will go to the any browser and then I will just show you what is my speed. So yeah, I'm going here and I'm just go here and then I'm gonna show you what's my speed right now. So it's connecting. So yeah, right now our speed is around 80, it's around 85, 86 and okay, I can say it's 90. So yeah, I will just quit it. I'm just gonna show you. So I'm gonna just quit it now and then I'm gonna show you how you can have a free VPN and without a speed limit. So I'm just gonna go to a website, then just click on this link. I'm gonna give you this link in your description box, in my description box, so you can go there. So just click on here, like you can just click enter there and just click it on from any web browser, and then you will just have to go to P2P VPN. That's the list, this one, and then just close here. And then you just have a lot of you have just a lot of servers here like Singapore, France, and right now I'm from India, so I will just go to search India because there are a lot of things that I have to do from Indian server. So yeah, I'm gonna search it. So yeah, I will just go through these links. So yeah, number 4, I guess number 4 will be India. No, number 4 is not, it's number 5, I guess. Yeah, I guess number 3 maybe. Yeah, number 3, I got it. So this is the Indian server. So you just have to click on the show and then you have to click on these links, like look, this server is online here, this server is also online, and just look at it. So you just have to go here and create a India P2P PPTP VPN Indian account. So you just have to create any random letter, there's a combination of letter and a word. So yeah, I am going to do this like 234 and ERT, anything that you want, and like I'm gonna use the same thing like Control C and Control V, the same thing, and just you have to verify yourself. And then yeah, like it's asking me again. Okay, I just have to verify. You just also have to do so. Actually they don't ask it. So yeah, like next, click on next, and then okay, you just have to do it like whatever they're asking. Okay, then after okay, I'm not robot bro motorcycle, and then okay, verify me. Okay, then you just have to create PPTP VPN, then it will create your account. So yeah, finally your account has been created. Here look, these are the credentials, these are the things that created. So now finally we have to do what? You just have to go to your setting, here, go to setting here, and just go to where, just like this, and just go to and search here VPN, and then you just have to click what? You just have to click on here if you're using a Bayad or whatever you are using. I'm using a Bayad connection, so you just have to click here on another VPN. Okay, it's not, actually it's not, actually yeah, I have to create a VPN, right? Okay, yeah, and then in this VPN you just have to click on point-to-point tunneling protocol like PPTP VPN. Okay, you just have to click here, and then this is the gateway. In the gateway you just have to put the IP address. So yeah, I will just go here like wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm just gonna go here. I'm just gonna go to do this here, and then I'm gonna just click, and you just have to select point-to-point tunneling VPN, and then here I have already created the VPN. So yeah, just go to the IP address or host name, either you can use anyone. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the host name like IP address. So yeah, I just have to copy from there and just click it here, and then you have to use the username. So username, that is a username here that we have already created. So yeah, you're gonna use it here. And for the password, you just have to click it here, and you just whatever users in your Kali Linux. So right now I just have whatever I have the users, I'm just storing it for this user only. Like this user I'm storing for the all of whatever user you want to let the users to do the VPN. So yeah, right now I'm giving every users to use it. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to copy the password and paste the password, and then paste it here. Like look, the password must be same there, and then you just have to click on the advanced button. Then you just have to uncheck both of these, and then you just have to check this one, use point-to-point encryption MPPE. So and then click on apply, and then click on add, then click on add. Okay, so right now I have added the VPN. Okay, so look, this one I have already created before. So this one VPN 2. So I'm gonna create this one, I'm gonna turn it. Okay, so now look at here, my VPN has been connected. So yeah, okay, right now I'm gonna show you the speed test again. Okay, so speed test to show you how much speed it gives us, and it's literally free, whatever you can download. So let's go and check it out, check it again. Kind of slow. Okay, let's see how much speed it's giving us. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, yeah, so finally it's giving actually depends on your network speed sometime, and sometimes it's like sometimes it depends on your network speed, and sometimes it depends on the server load also. So yeah, right now it's giving us a 20 Mbps, and I guess that's not a bad speed that I'm getting right now. So yeah, I will just say you can just use this one, like this one, and just go to the PPTP VPN. You can just create whatever I have showed you in the video. So yeah, you can just use it, and one thing you just have to remember, this VPN just only work for 3 days. So yeah, in every 3 days you just have to create it, and this VPN you can use it for free for how much MB you can download, it doesn't matter. So yeah, right now you just want, I'm gonna show you if this VPN is working or not. So yeah, let's I'm gonna turn off the VPN, and I'm just gonna go to, like right now I'm here, and I'm just gonna go because I'm in college, and there are a lot of website that has been restricted. So I'm gonna show you. Let's see some videos that let's see some websites that they are already so there is a movies, it's a popular movies website. So yeah, you can also check it there. So let's see if they let me access or not. Okay, so let's see, it's not I can't access this one. So yeah, from my college Wi-Fi, from my college LAN network, I can't access this one. But let me show you if I'm gonna use this VPN. Okay, yeah, I have already opened that one. Okay, 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 it's not letting me do that. So yeah, wait, maybe these movies actually these sites always change their domain and domain name already. So yeah, we're gonna check it something different, like maybe a gaming websites, anything like okay, not one box, it's like okay. Okay, and let me see what are the websites that they have blocked already. So yeah, they're the gaming website they have blocked. So let me see it. Okay, yeah, I got it. There is a movie website, you can also try UHD movies, so where you can download like this one. Yeah, I just got it. Okay, yeah, I just got this one. Okay, this one, look, this one I just got. I can't access this site because my college has been blocked this site. So yeah, I'm just gonna go to use this VPN, like anyone, like VPN 2. Yeah, and then look, but I will just do it. Just click on again, and yeah, click here. Okay, wow, just look at here, you can just look everything, whatever that I can't access earlier. So yeah, you can use this VPN, it's a free of cost, and you can get enough speed that you want, and unlimited speed for 3 days. Every time you have to create that. So thank you for watching.